Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to do question number 5 to 10 of workbook of chapter number 6. Question number 5. Write the chemical formulas of these compound. The first has been done for you. Water H2O. This is its structure. Hydrochloric acid. Its formula will be HCl. Magnesium chloride MgCl2. Ammonia NH3. Methane CH4. Carbon dioxide CO2. Question number 6. The table gives the weights of 3 substances before and after heating in air. Substances are A, B, C. Weight in grams before heating. Weight in grams after heating. The weight of the substance A before heating 2.5 grams. After heating 2.8 grams. B 2.2 grams before heating, and after heating it is 1.8 grams. The weight of substance C before heating is 2.6 grams, and after heating it remains 2.6 grams. Number 1. Which substance is not affected by heating? C, because after and before heating its weight remains the same. When zinc carbonate is heated, it loses carbon dioxide. Which substance is zinc carbonate? Beta, it is B. When magnesium is heated in air, it combines with oxygen. Which substance is magnesium? A. Name the compound produced. Magnesium oxide. Which substance has undergone a thermal decomposition? Substance has undergone a thermal decomposition. Substance B. Explain your answer. Beta, because it has lost weight after heating. Question number 7. The list gives some examples of changes that take place in everyday life. Number 1. Boiling water. Breaking a matchstick, crushing a can, frying an egg, acid dissolving limestone, rusting nail, striking a match, tearing cloth. Number 1. Write each of the changes in correct column in the table. Physical changes. Physical changes among these changes are boiling water, breaking a matchstick, crushing a can, tearing cloth. Chemical changes are frying an egg, acid dissolving limestone, rusting nail, striking a match. Number 2. Give 2 changes from the list that need energy to make them happen. Beta, all these changes except any two except acid dissolving limestone and rusting nail. All these changes need energy to make them happen. Number 2. Give 2 changes from the list that do not need energy to make them happen. Number 1. Acid dissolving limestone. Number 2. Rusting nail. Question number 8. Below are 2 columns with separate headings. Write these chemical reactions under the correct headings. Reactions are frying an egg, plants using sunlight energy to make food, sucking a mint to cool your mouth, respiration in animals and plant cells, a burning match, a firework exploding. we have to separate them as endothermic reaction and exothermic reaction. Beta, respiration in animals and plant cells, a burning match, a firework exploding. These three are the examples of exothermic reaction. These three are included in exothermic reaction. Frying an egg, plant using sunlight energy to make food, sucking a mint to cool your mouth. These are endothermic reactions. Question number 9. The diagram shows the combustion triangle. Fuel, air or oxygen, heat. Number 1. List 3 things that are needed for a fire to burn. Number 1, air or oxygen. Number 2, fuel. Number 3, heat. Number 2, suggest why the diagram is called a combustion triangle. Beta, the diagram is called a combustion triangle because 3 things are needed for combustion. Number 3, what is the common and everyday word for combustion? The common everyday word for combustion is burning. Number 3, what chemical compound is produced when a fuel combines with oxygen? The answer is on page number 77 of book. It will start from here. The word equation for this chemical reaction is fuel plus oxygen arrow water plus carbon dioxide plus heat energy. Number 5. Explain why a blanket can be used to put out a fire. Beta, a blanket prevents air. The answer is a blanket prevents air or oxygen from getting to the fire. Number 6. Give one situation when water should not be used to put out a fire. Beta, water should not be used to put out a fire in case of electrical fire. Number 7. Suggest why firefighters wear breathing apparatus when entering a building. When entering a burning building. It is because beta, there will be little oxygen and a lot of carbon dioxide in a burning building. Question number 10. The table shows the result of some chemical reactions between some metals and some solutions of metal salts. Beta, metals are magnesium, lead, copper and silver, and the solutions to which metal is added: magnesium chloride, lead nitrate, copper sulfate, silver nitrate. Magnesium, when put in a solution of magnesium chloride, no reaction. When it is put in a solution of lead nitrate, reaction occurs. Magnesium reacts with copper sulfate and silver nitrate also. Lead, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. Lead nitrate, no reaction. Lead react with copper sulfate and silver nitrate. Copper, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. Lead nitrate, no reaction. Copper sulfate, no reaction. Silver nitrate, reaction. Copper react in solution of silver nitrate only. Silver, in magnesium chloride, no reaction. In lead nitrate, no reaction. In copper sulfate, no reaction. In silver nitrate, no reaction. Silver does not react with any of these solutions. Question number 1. A. Which is the most reactive metal? We can see from this table that magnesium is the most reactive metal. Magnesium is the most reactive metal. B. Which is the least reactive metal? Silver is the least reactive metal. A student is trying to identify an unknown metal X. When X is placed in copper sulfate solution, there is a reaction and red-brown copper falls to the bottom of the test tube. When X is placed in magnesium chloride, nothing happens. Give 2 suggestions for the identity of metal X. Beta, the metal X may be magnesium and lead. How could the student find the true identity of metal X? Put X into the solution of lead nitrate. Magnesium will react, lead will not react. Number 3. These are examples of displacement reaction. Explain what does this mean. Beta, displacement reactions during you have to write down the definition of displacement reactions, that during displacement reactions one substance pushes out another to take its place. Thank you.